Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Is about purchasing. Purchasing is one of the most important things you should ever think about because it lays a foundation for you and for your family. You save money in income tax. You start to build up equity. There are a lot of financial benefits and also social benefits by owning in opposed to renting. So if you'd like to know more of that, you can attend one of our free home buying seminars in the New York metropolitan area. You will find out about the cost effectiveness of owning in opposed to renting. But in today's market, where there has been a declining market in the house prices, there are many houses that are now affordable. And you can find an affordable home to fit your budget. And with the excellent rates that we are offering, the 5% fixed rate for 30 years, it's applicable even for the government-backed loan with 2.25% down, and the seller can even pay all your closing costs. It's something allowed, it's something legal, it's something lawful. It's not something unlawful or you don't know about. It's something that has been around for years. Very common in the industry when you're taking out an FHA, a Federally Housing Administration loan, a government-backed loan with as little as 2.25% down. The 6% could be seller's concession that pays your closing costs, and all you require is 2.25% down. But let me go further. The beauty about it, that 2.25% down can be gifted money from family members. So now practically with no money from your pocket, you can become a proud homeowner achieving the American dream. And with the house prices so low, the interest rate so low, what happens? Your mortgage becomes affordable. You will be smiling when you're writing out your mortgage checks because this is the time. Make hay while the sun is shining. Purchasing is in demand right now. There are a lot of houses on the market. Inventory is tremendous. Take advantage. Become a proud homeowner. Lay a foundation for yourself and your family. If you don't do it now, there might not be another chance because the opportunity you may miss. As they said, there are 3 things you can't take back, which is a sped arrow, a spoken word, or a neglected opportunity. And this may be your neglected opportunity. So take action right now and go out there, make the sacrifice every which way to become a proud homeowner. Be a homeowner and get all the benefits of home ownership. Talk to me. I'm in the studio. Yep. And with no credit, even poor credit, the government-backed loan will guarantee you a mortgage. So you talk to the mortgage doctor. Let me determine whether you are qualified or not for the mortgage. The consultation is absolutely free at no cost to you. Reach out, dial the magical number, 718-325-5555. And if you like to get a pre-approval in writing, something that you should get always, because you put the horse in front of the cart. Get the potential power you need to go there and shop with confidence so that no one can prey upon your ignorance or your lack of knowledge in this industry. People out there are easy to prey upon you when you are not knowledgeable in this industry. But one phone call, talking to the mortgage doctor, you will get the empowerment you need to go there and shop with confidence and not anxiety. So call me for all your purchasing needs and get involved with home ownership and get these absolutely great, fabulous rates, quality loan programs that we are offering. And as we are still offering this 2-step program, which is 3.5%. Yes, you're hearing me right. 3.5% fixed rate for the first year, 4.5% for the second year, 5.5% for the third year. And you know what? It's fixed rate for the rest of your life. Imagine you're still fixing after 3 years at 5.5%. But initially, for the first year, your mortgage payment will be so affordable because moving into a home, you need that additional cash to renovate, beautify your home. Right. So we created this program for you lovely listening audience out there. If you're thinking of purchasing, take advantage of the many loan programs available, because we have multiple loan programs available, and we can at least structure one of those loan programs to fit your individual needs.
Folks, Tony Shafiq dropping the facts as usual. So give him a ring right now in the studios at 718-325-5555. Get the facts now. And once you do so, once you speak with Tony Shafiq, then you make your decision from there, all right? Don't bite the hype. We just drop the facts right here on Link Up Radio 93.5 FM. Once again, past credit problems are understood over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So give Tony Shafiq right now the wizard when it comes to purchasing and refinancing. 25 years under his belt, still going strong. Lock it in, folks. 718-325-5555. Reduce your payments, take cash out. So by doing so, you speak with Tony Shafiq, your wizard in purchasing and refinancing. Now, Tony, before you go back to the phone lines again, man, because the lines are blazing as usual, how do I refinance my existing home? A lot of folks may not understand their whole refinancing process that you handle over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So when we say lock in the interest rate at 5%, lock it in while it's very low, lock it in while it lasts, how does someone refinance their existing home?
All you have to do, you lovely listeners out there, it's a phone call away. Refinancing must benefit you, the listeners out there, and you, the client. And unless it benefits you, there's no need to refinance. But in today's situation, where you have so many people, you have a lot of credit card debts. You have a higher rate than 5%. Even if your rate is 5.5%, but because you're taking out a lot of cash to consolidate your debt, it will serve the purpose of refinancing,
right,
because you will cut down. You will lower your monthly obligation, lower significantly. That is the purpose of refinancing, is to lower your monthly debts significantly, or lower your monthly mortgage payment, make it lower. And by refinancing, you can create that situation. You can create a situation whereby you consolidate all your debts, and you have now a lower monthly mortgage payment, which is affordable. So you folks, the criteria in refinancing is not the word refinancing, is that it must benefit you financially. And once I work the numbers face to face with you, show you literally how much you're saving just by refinancing, it's no cost to you. The consultation is absolutely free. All it takes is the phone call. And once you get, I tell you what your savings will be, you make the decision. I give you multiple options. So folks, make the call. Take action now. Procrastination is the thief of time. No good is ever done in this world by just sitting back. You must take action. Call the magical number. I'm in the studio here to help you.
Yes.
And my years of experience is irrelevant.
All right.
My knowledge in the business is irrelevant. What is relevant to me is serving you lovely folks with loyalty and integrity, and delivering the goods and service that we always talk about at the First Republic Mortgage Bank. The service is great. Delivering the goods and services is superb, because we do not misrepresent what we say. If we say that 5.5%, that will be your rate, well, that is your rate.
Right.
And we locked it in, and you close at that rate. So there's no hype. There's no gimmick. It is accuracy.
Facts.
And it's knowledge that we would like to dispense and impart to you folks out there. Take advantage.
Folks, Tony Shafiq dropping the facts. Tony Shafiq dropping the facts. Tony gonna let you go grab the phone lines. They're blazing hot. 718-325-5555. If you don't get through on that number, ring him up at 718-324-5465.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.